What up, great people? It's your favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today I'll be showing you how to do the reverse crossovers loop. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, be motivated while you work out to be fit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. So this move is a very nice move and you have a lot of fun while doing it. But a few things you need to know or learn before you nail this move like the pros you are is, first, you need to learn how to do the reverse jump. That's the regular reverse jump. You need to also learn how to do the reverse crossovers. That's the backwards crossovers. We have great tutorials on that and I'll link it up here or in the description for you to go check out. So once you've learned that and you're more comfortable with that, we can get on to this move. So let me show you what this move looks like, then we can get to the few things you need to learn more to nail this move like the pros you are. So from this position, I kind of go crossovers, and you notice what happened? So I kind of looped through my crossovers, locking my hands and whipping. So what you need to do with this move is, your entry into this move will be the crossovers. So from crossovers, when next you cross your hands, you kind of lock it that way and make sure you use your wrist action as you're hugging yourself. If you're not so flexible right now, your upper body, you need to tilt a bit forward to get that full cross for the rope to pass through. Then you kind of whip in anti-clockwise position to make the rope go with good momentum so that it can pass and not trip on your legs. Then after getting this hand placement well, you need to practice this a lot, because if you don't get it well, the rope will always trip on you and it will be a lot difficult for you to nail. So the next thing you need to do is to streamline your body. Okay, let's say you're doing the boxer skip and you want to do the loop cross reverse, and the next footwork you're on, or the next leg of your boxer skip, or your left leg, you need to pause in that position to get a streamlined body so that your loop can go. Then after your loop, you can switch back to your normal boxer skip. So what am I trying to say? Let's say I'm into reverse crossovers and I want to loop. You notice I'm kind of paused on my left leg and I'm just bouncing on my right. This is to give me that pause of the body to get that streamline for that rope to pass through, because if I say I should continue, I might just find it difficult and the rope will trip on me, because the way the thing is crossing, the way the rope is crossing is not so smooth. So you need to kind of maneuver your body to fit into that new arc you've created with that loop cross you're doing. So let me show you a frontal view, and it will be like this. So this time I'm doing a double bounce. You see what I was trying to say? So when each time you kind of switch your leg from that streamlined body you've created, the rope trips on you. So practice that way, then as time goes on, you can work on that to become as fluid as possible with this move. So I'll show you from different directions and also slow motion so that I can actually understand this move pretty well. So from this position, I go. You notice I'm pausing. So the reason why I'm pausing that way is because my left hand kind of crossed below, and if it's crossing below, I need to tilt that way to give me that flexibility and ease the stress I'm giving to my body to make sure the rope passes. So if I'm crossing with my right hand below, I'll bend towards this direction. So you have to bend towards the direction of the hands that crosses below to actually nail this move like a professional. If you can practice the few things we've mentioned in this video, you'll be able to nail this trick in a very short time. And this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friend who is still adding more tricks to their jump rope tricks collection, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our lovely content. Until next time, guys, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.